What comes to your mind when you see a bottle of Fanta? Play, fun, right? That is exactly what comes to the minds of millions of Indian consumers when they reach out for a bottle of Fanta. Our global body of work has been appreciated the world over, and we wanted to take the global body of work, which is all about play and fun moments, and bring it into the Indian context.
This year, unlike previous years, the animation was done globally. It was a global asset that was given to us. This time, for the first time, we've actually done the animation ourselves. This year, we've introduced a new character, a new Indian character, a mother. In fact, when you see the film, you'll notice, it's a typically Indian lady in a sari with bangles and a bindi and all of that. And we took some of the characters which had been globally produced, and then we've created a story. It's basically these, kids sitting around and, snacks in front of them. They're all very bored until the mother comes in and opens the bottle of Fanta. That's when they start enjoying the food, the fun, and having a lot of play, which is the central thought of Fanta as a brand.
For us, it was a great opportunity to work for such a big client as Coke and Fanta. The product is great and the concept is fantastic. I wish to start from zero and make our own Fanta world.
At Nomad, we've always been very proud of working on brand Fanta. An animation script for Fanta is probably a high point in the history of Nomad, and we are extremely proud of it. I think given the support that we had from Coca-Cola and Ogilvy, in Elin Prague managed to deliver an outstanding piece of work, and we are really proud of it.
This year's jingle, like the previous year's jingles, is also extremely peppy. It's been done by Vijay Antony, and the lyrics for the Hindi were written by Amitabh Bhattacharya. We have a fantastic Tamil track as well, and it's as peppy, as interesting, as energetic as it's always been, and we are hoping everyone likes it as much as we do.
This is the third year I am working for Fanta continuously. I am talking to you from the recording session of Fanta. Hope you will enjoy the music very soon.
One, two, three, four. That time base of the orange tree, woman.
Fanta has that special orangey, tangly taste that literally gives rise to the playfulness inside you. And you know what Fanta is perfectly matched with? It's that nice, salty snack time. And in 2014, we decided to sharp focus Fanta on that one moment. That time of day when you come back from school, when you want a little bit of kick of refreshment with some snacks, and we believe Fanta is a perfect accompaniment to that. So here is our message for 2014 to all you moms out there. Snack time, Fanta time.